Hey everybody, Jason Veenstra here with the Veenstra Real Estate Team, and I am joined by
Crystal Haydo from Allen Edwin Homes.
And we are out at Pennridge Trail North in Portage, Michigan. And what is really cool about this is you guys are one of the very first to learn about this recently released neighborhood. Crystal, tell us a little bit about this.
Oh, okay. So we are at the south part of Portage, and we have 40 available sites for you to come pick and build 3 amazing floor plans that start at 1,800 square feet up to a little over 2,000.
Awesome. And you were telling me some pricing on where these things start. Tell me a little bit more about that.
Okay, so you can get into this neighborhood starting in the low 270s.
270s. That's for a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath house.
Yes, that's right.
Brand new.
Brand new.
In the 270s. You can't find that anywhere, let alone in Portage schools.
I know, right?
That is just incredible pricing. And what's really cool is they've got some specs that are going to be ready yet this summer. So if you are looking to move this summer, you can move into a brand new home, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and still be in there in time for school to start this fall.
Yes.
Which is spectacular. Now, we are in South Portage, but what's really cool about this neighborhood in particular is we are right next door to the Eliason Nature Preserve.
Oh my gosh.
And I love it because there's actually access from this neighborhood right into the nature.
You could be walking your dogs.
I love it.
Getting some hiking in.
Because
maybe a little ski, cross country.
The Eliason Nature Preserve, 123 acres. There's a 1.5-mile walking trail. It connects to Schreier Park. I mean, this is just super convenient access. What else do we have around us, Crystal, that we have access to?
We're within 4 minutes from a Meijer, so grocery shopping super easy. And we're 5 minutes from the south portion of US 131. So super easy to get everywhere once you get on that.
Love the convenient access. So if you are interested in learning more about this particular neighborhood, if you are interested in learning more about the build process with Allen Edwin, reach out. We want to be your resource. We want to provide all of the information to help you make some super well-informed decisions. Hope you have an awesome afternoon. Crystal, anything else?
No.
Perfect.
Just call us.
Call us. Hope you have a great day. So if you want this nature preserve, the Eliason Nature Preserve in your backyard, give us a call. Because when you build a home with the Veenstra team and Allen Edwin Homes, we're going to get you $5,500 in credits and discounts. Crystal, tell us what that can do for somebody.
Oh my gosh, at our design studio, you could complete your appliance package with stainless steel appliances.
Love it.
You could add a deck to the back of your home for free. You could have some of the neatest finishes, some really cool light fixtures, quartz countertops.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So this is something that could really help you finish off the house and really personalize the house exactly how you want it. So give us a call. I mean, this place is incredible. We were just reading, this not only is the Eliason Nature Preserve, but it connects to Bishop's Bog and Schreier Park. That's 330 acres. I mean, how incredible.
So
there's walking trail.
Yeah, this neighborhood's the best of both worlds because you're really close to everything, but you are in the middle of nature.
Absolutely.
So convenient and tranquil.
Love it. Give us a call.
Okay.